Hi, Green Group. It's Miss O'Shea. Here's today's lecture. We're going to start at page 180. You went over these words in the computer lab yesterday when you did your slideshow, all about the mercado. Mercado is a market. And we're going to review some of those words and do a few exercises. And this is page 180. En el mercado venden frutas y vegetales. In the market, they, because it's the ellos form of the verb vender, which is venden, they sell frutas y vegetales. They sell fruits and vegetables. Todo está muy fresco. All of them are very fresh. La señora es de Argentina. The woman is from Argentina. Vive en Buenos Aires. She lives in Buenos Aires. Por la mañana va de compras. In the morning, she goes shopping. So let's take a look at page 182. This is one of the exercises that you're going to do. Exercise 1. ¿Venden frutas y vegetales en el mercado? Do they sell fruits and vegetables in the market? So your answer has to be C, and it also has to have a subject, a verb, and a complement. So let's start with the subject, which would be they, ellos, AC. Ellos venden, they sell, frutas y vegetales en el mercado. You only need one verb in the sentence. Some of you are getting mixed up with that. Some of you would put es venden, which would be is sells, which you don't need two verbs. You only need one, which in this case is the verb vender, which is to sell. Venden would be the ellos, ellas form of the verb. The second question also includes the verb vender. Venden carne y pescado también. Do they sell meat and fish also? Va de compras la señora Davila. Does she go shopping? So now we have the verb ir, and the ele ya usted form is va. Then in number 6, we have the verb comprar, which means to buy. And this is the ele ya usted form, compra. So you're going to do numbers 1 to 10 in your notebook. And then let's jump over to page 183. El desayuno, el almuerzo, or la cena. El desayuno is breakfast. El almuerzo is lunch. And la cena is dinner. You're going to answer numbers 1, 2, and 3. A and B of each one, and say if that's something that would be eaten at dinner, at lunch, or at breakfast. Okay? And en la cena comemos pan tostado. Pan tostado is toast con mermelada, with jelly. En el desayuno comemos cereales, huevos y frutas. You're going to read through all of those again if you have any questions on what some of the words are. Like, for example, you should know lechuga, tomate, papas fritas. Helado in number 3 is ice cream. Helado means ice cream. Arroz in number 2 means rice. Okay, and again, you can refer back to the food words on the previous page. So for your weekly work this week, you're going to do exercise 1, on page 182, don't forget about your verbs, and exercise 3 on page 183. Good luck with it, and it's probably easier if you do it in school. This way you can ask any questions that you might have. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.